Hello dear students, welcome to your chemistry class. Today we will be going to study about effect of change of pressure. Like we have studied that there are three states of matter, and we have studied that how it changes with the effect of temperature, and it gone through the different states, and there are different terms. Now let us consider that how the pressure affects the change in state. So, if whether it is increasing or decreasing, it means whether increasing or decreasing, the pressure can change the state of matter. Even applying pressure and reducing temperature can liquefy gases. How it can be? We all know that if the temperature has been reduced, the kinetic energy of the particles also reduced, and when the kinetic energy of the particles reduces, it means, like suppose the gas, we all know the particles of gases are far away from each other, but as soon as the kinetic speed decreases, they will come closer. And we all know in liquid state, intermediate space has been formed between the particles. So it means when the temperature has been reduced, it can liquefy the gases. It means from the gaseous state, it can changes into the liquid state. And applying pressure, it means at high pressure and low temperature, we can liquefy the gases. So let us study in more detail about the pressure. Like if you will see in this figure, there is a cylinder has been taken and a piston has been used. Why a piston has been used? To apply the pressure. As soon as if you will see in this image, in the first cylinder, if you will see here, that the particles, like it is a gas molecule, so the particles are far away. As soon as you have applied the pressure, like in the second one, you will see that the particles come closer, and in the third, if you will see, the more pressure, because here you will see that the piston is here, then the pressure has been applied, the piston is here, and now the piston reaches more downward in the third cylinder. Here it means that the more pressure has been applied, and if you will see that the particles come very close to each other. It means like solid, the particles are far away, but in liquids, the particles are nearer to each other. It means the intermolecular space between the particles are less as compared to the gaseous state. So, by applying pressure, the particles of matter can be brought closer together, and that is how we can consider that by applying pressure and reducing the temperature, we can liquefy the gas. So, to liquefy a gas, we can use this. There is an example given that solid carbon dioxide. Solid carbon dioxide, we all know carbon dioxide is a gaseous state, and if we are converting it into the solid form, that means if it is stored under high pressure, if solid carbon dioxide is stored under high pressure, solid gets converted directly to gaseous state on decrease of pressure to 1 atmosphere. It means if the pressure has been decreases of the gaseous state, so it will gets converted directly to the solid state without coming into the liquid state. Like just now we have studied that we can liquefy the gases, but if we will apply more pressure, it gets solidify without coming into the liquid state, like which happens with the carbon dioxide. Like carbon dioxide is a gas, and if we will apply more pressure, or you can say there will be a decrease of pressure to 1 atmosphere, it will be directly changes into the solid carbon dioxide, which is also known as dry ice. Dry ice is just a solid carbon dioxide. So this is how by applying pressure we can change the state also. It means pressure can also affect the change of the state of matter.